Hi, today we will go over what default in web design means, what websites margins are, and what responsiveness is, and why it is so important in modern web design. Default is a term used in print and web design. The term originated in print design, especially in newspapers, and is still used today. When an article is above the fold, it means that the article is displayed on the front page of the newspaper. When it's below the fold, that means the article is still on the front page, but is just hidden below the crease of the newspaper, meaning that people would need to turn the newspaper over in order to read it. This is the same principle in web design. In web, the fold is used to describe the distinction of what users can see when they first land on the web page and what they must scroll to see. Some common elements that usually live above the fold are the hero, the navigation bar, and the logo. So, in web, below the fold is any content that a user must scroll in order to see, while above the fold is any content that fills your screen when you first land on the home page or any other page in the website. Margins can refer to a couple different things. When designing websites, margins refer to the space between your grid layout and the outer edge of your screen. The reason margins are used is so the designer knows where to place all their elements on the screen. A designer should never design any important elements out here in the margins, because when your screen responds to a new screen size, these elements in the margins can be cut off. In HTML and CSS, we have a video defining these two terms. Margins refer to the space between an element and other elements. Margins go around all four sides of an element, so it does not interfere with any of the others. Responsiveness is an approach to a web design that allows users to view websites on any screen size they are using. If we look at a website on a desktop screen, it's much wider than the screen on our phones. In order for that website to work on a much smaller screen like a phone, the content needs to respond accordingly to the given screen size. Responsiveness is so important nowadays, since mobile is becoming the main device that users use in order to visit websites. If your website isn't responsive, you're not only risking users not seeing your site, but you could be risking tons of leads, accessibility issues, and overall customer trust. Thanks for watching. For additional resources regarding web design, WordPress, and digital marketing, visit our website and follow us on social media.